we're going to check out Groove Scribe. We're going to use it to make up our own drum beat, and we can do that online on a website that you can easily access at home as well, which is pretty nifty. So to show you how to get there, well, I gave you a link in the quiz that you are working through probably, but you can also, if you want to do this at home, go to Google, and that's how we're going to do it for a second. So I'm just going to show you. So if we were to go here and you write Groove Scribe. So to get to this website, it's google.com if you're not sure. But then we can write Groove Scribe here and click return, and the first thing that comes up in our search is Groove Scribe. So let's click it. Okay, now this is where we can write our patterns. I'm going to start by clicking clear all. Now this is really nifty. So you don't need to know anything about notation actually to write stuff here. We click down here and then things appear further up. So let's have a look. We're going to go like this. And then if I hit play, all right, you can repeat what you do. You can add in extra hits. You can change the speed up the top with the slider. And it will repeat when it gets to the end on its own. You can add faster hits in between. Look, it's an interesting pattern. You can undo things if you don't really like them. You can add toms. So we've only got 3 parts of the drum kit here at the moment that we can use. The kick drum is like our bass drum. It's the same thing. Snare drum is that drum that has the wires underneath for the rattly sound, and the hi-hat is those 2 cymbals that there's one stacked on top of each other and the drummers often play. But we can hit toms to get out of the drums. So let's just do that now. I might add a few things here. All right, you can right click on things. So if I've got my hi-hat hit here, I can use my right click and then I can change what happens actually with that sound. So particularly with the hi-hat, this is the set of cymbals that you can hold down with your foot, and you can make them closed, you can open them up a little bit. So either way, whether or not you know what some of these different things are, because we haven't talked about all of them in great detail at all, you can just play around with the sound, so by right clicking and click something different. And this is just a chance for you to just make up something on this website. So an accent that we just see here makes things a bit louder, but just play around, just see what you like. Let's see, maybe I'll put a cowbell sound in there. All right. Now, make up whatever you want. It can be short, it can be long, it can be extremely busy, it can be something a bit groovier. If you don't like something you do, once again, we've got undo over here, but there's no guidelines as to how you need to do this. Just have fun and play around. But whatever you do though, and really, it doesn't have to be long. This isn't being marked in any particular way. I literally just want you to have a go. Whatever you do, just put your name up the top where it says author. Ms. Mitchell, in this case. And the title, you can come up with a title, whatever, seriously. Cheese beats, whatever. Some music has weird names. Don't worry about writing a comment here, but you can then click share down on the bottom right, okay? And we can click short URL to make it a shorter website address, and then you can click copy. And then back in that quiz that you're working through, there'll be an opportunity. It will ask you to share the URL for what you have been making up. And then if you do that, then you can post it. So I hope you have fun. Enjoy.